Oppo Enco W11 TWS Earbuds to launch on June 25. Price revealed. Oppo Enco W11 True Wireless TWS Earbuds will debut on June 25. The new Enco series earbuds will be available for purchase via Flipkart in white color option. The key features the Oppo Enco W11 include Bluetooth V5.0 support, touch controls, and IP54 water resistance rating. The company claims that the TWS earbuds can offer up to 5 hours of music playback on a single charge. Oppo had first announced the development of the Enco W11 TWS earbuds in early June, however, their availability and pricing details were not disclosed. Oppo Enco W11 earbuds price in India. Oppo Enco W11 earbuds price in India is set at 2,999 rupees, a Flipkart teaser revealed. The TWS earbuds will be available to purchase via the e-retailer starting June 25. Oppo in May also launched its new neckband-style wireless earphones, the Oppo Enco M31 in India. The earphones are currently priced at 1,999 rupees. Oppo Enco W11 earbud specifications. Oppo Enco W11 earbuds are listed on a Flipkart microsite, details their key specifications. The new TWS earbuds by Oppo feature 8mm dynamic drivers with AAC codec support. The Enco W11 also come with Bluetooth V5.0 and IP54 water and dust resistance rating. The company says that the earbuds provide less latency and more stable connection. Additionally, the Oppo Enco W11 earbuds are said to provide 5 hours of music playback and a total 20 hours of playback with the charging case. Other features include noise cancellation during phone calls and touch controls such as one tap for play/pause, double tap for changing tracks or answering/ending calls, and 3 taps to activate voice assistance. Users can also adjust volume directly with the TWS earbuds. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.